Let's look at some other formulas that I use on a daily basis, which are kind of the bread and butter of Microsoft Excel. First, let's start with the sum function, which in other words is just total. We've already seen this one before. We'll start by entering the equal sign, equals, we'll write sum, open bracket, and now we're going to select all the values that we want to sum. Close bracket, enter. So this has given us the sum, or the total, which in this case is 1.7 billion. We can also take the average. Equals, we type out average, open bracket, we'll select the range, close bracket, followed by enter. And now we have the average, which in this case is 294 million. We can also take the max, which stands for maximum. This will return the maximum value within the range. We write equals, max, open bracket, click hold and select the range, close bracket, enter, which in this case is 1.3 billion. And likewise, we can take the minimum value, equals, min, open bracket, select the range, close bracket, and enter. You'll notice that the minimum does not equal 0. This isn't actually 0, this is blank. If I enter 0 as a population for the United States, now all of a sudden I have a minimum of 0. And that is because this is actually 0, it's not blank. So those are some of the common counting, summing functions that I use in Microsoft Excel on a daily basis and which are very popular, especially the sum and the average. So learn these ones, are very important and you'll probably end up using them a lot. Do you want to boost your career and income potential with Microsoft Excel? Check out our 2-hour mini courses down below. And as always, thanks for watching.